Hello and welcome. The following video will be quite different. If you are not interested in this topic, feel free to skip this one, but please don't unsubscribe just yet. I still love thrifting and interiors, and there's more to come soon. Hey guys, this time I'm going to be making a dress. As some of you might know, I love art. I love all the great artists. I love Van Gogh, and a while ago I designed a surface print inspired by Van Gogh and his paintings. And I decided, since anyone can do it nowadays, to make it into an actual fabric. And now we're going to make a dress out of it. First, let's decorate for Vincent. I do have a bodice block, but it's not with my measurements. So the first thing we're gonna do is make it into a prototype and see what changes I need to make. I took my time with marking the changes with pins. I want this bodice block to be quite fitting. Would be easier if I didn't have to make it on myself, but I'll manage. The armholes are too tight. I'm marking the new lines with a pencil, and after transferring the alterations to the patterns, I decided to make one more test bodice with the new measurements. This one fits pretty perfect. Then I used painter's tape to see how I want the actual jumpsuit top to be. And I was ready to make the patterns for the top. I'm taking my time with these steps because fit is everything. In my opinion, it's one of the most important things that differentiate a custom piece from mass-produced clothing. Finally, I get to cut into the actual fabric, and I'm confident to do that because I've made sure my pattern is well made for me. I'm making the top part of the jumpsuit fully lined, and the lining will be the same material. So this material has no stretch, and since it's a jumpsuit, I'm worried for comfort and wearability. You know how a jumpsuit needs to have space in the crotch when you sit down, or it'll just pull in the back, and that's terrible? One way to combat this is to make the crotch seem really long, but I don't want that either. I don't want a toddler look where the crotch seam hangs down near my knees. So I came up with an idea to use shirring elastic to make the waistband stretch vertically, in the back only. Here you can see how it looks on the garment. I have this one jumpsuit and I thought I would use it as a starting point for the bottom part. I'm not sure if this was a very good idea, but it worked out in the end. Once again, I wanted to make the pants from scrap fabric first, before cutting into the Van Gogh fabric to make sure they fit perfect. To test them, I just pinned them to the top. Then I carefully made alterations. Let's make the bottom. Or let's not. So I decided to make a second pair of test pants to make some additional small alterations, and now I'm 100% happy. Pockets! Everyone loves pockets! Right? Everyone needs them as well. I'm using grey yarn for the overlock. You don't really need an exact match here, and this is actually pretty darn good. So this is how it's looking now. And inside we need to cover this seam. And I picked up this bias tape from a flea market, an unused roll. Let's mark buttonholes for these thrifted vintage buttons. And then my iron quit and I had to go get a new one. At least it's pretty. Last thing, to hem the legs. What do you think? I want to make it clear that the print is merely inspired by Van Gogh's incredible art. I do not think I did, nor did I try to copy his style. I couldn't. He was a genius. This project is a sort of a love letter to Vincent. Dear Vincent, if only you knew how your art is loved and admired. That's it for this video. I know it's not thrifted nor is it interiors. I truly hope you are not disappointed with this video. I'm new here and I'm trying out different things. Interiors are still a huge passion and there's more to come. So if you are not interested in this kind of content, please don't leave just yet. And if you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please let me know any thoughts you have in the comments section below. Or which artist would you like to see me design a print from next? I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching and bye!